So, welcome Natalie.
Thank you.
You've just completed the Quantum Reading Masterclass in Brisbane, and it went over a weekend and then another day, so it had 3 days. What were you expecting from the class when you signed up, and what actually did you get out of it, if anything? What changed for you?
Huge amounts of changes, but originally when I signed up for it, I really just wanted to be able to read faster and my comprehension, and also to have patience when I read. I'd sort of be reading only about 1 or 2 books a year. I would love to read more, but I'm the type of person, the minute I open up a book I'd always fall asleep, so especially when it comes to a textbook. But what I've got out of it, like today and the last, I've read 12 books today. And
12 books in a day?
12 books in a day, that's correct. You did hear correctly.
Wow.
And with all the fantastic techniques that we actually learn and the processes that we're actually doing today. And even one of the last stages, we do mind mapping, and I sat down. We weren't allowed to have any notes or anything like that in front of us, and I did sit there and go, oh my golly, where am I going to put all this out from? And it was amazing. Once I had actually started, I had all that information and it just actually all flowed out. But apart from that, I've actually changed within myself this week, because with all the wonderful books that I have actually read, I've actually had a lot of changes within myself, and I've got a lot of clarity of where I'm wanting to go and what I'm wanting to do. So it's just been huge. I've had a whole influx of wonderful new information today, so it's wonderful. Get back to enjoy reading again.
That's wonderful. Thank you, Natalie.
You're welcome. Thank you.